Hi everyone, welcome back to Cody'sLab. So I have a couple of pieces of metal right here. As you can see, they do not stick when I put them together, but if I put them together and then give it a slight twist, it is stuck fast. In fact, they are cold welded to each other. The bond is not complete, so I'm still able to pull them apart, but it takes a little bit of force. And if you zoom in on it right around here, you can see that some pieces of metal right there and over here have actually been pulled off, because the bond was actually a good solid weld in those places. So I can take the pieces of metal and roll them past each other just like this. I can even push quite hard and they do not cold weld. But if I take them and then twist them a little bit, you can see that they're bonded. Now what's happening here is this metal is very unreactive to the air. It does not form an oxide coating. And also it's very soft, and so the metal is actually able to deform and make a very good contact between itself. Now you may have noticed that the twisting action is needed. Now I think that's actually because of the air. Air is able to get between the pieces of metal and create a cushioning layer that keeps the two pieces separated. But if I force that air out, they form an instant bond. And as you can see, when I break them apart, I'm actually breaking the metal. If you haven't already guessed, these are pieces of metallic indium, and in my opinion they are the easiest material in the world to cold weld. The question is though, is the twisting motion going to be needed inside of a vacuum chamber? If there's no air, will there be an air cushion keeping them apart? I would think not. But perhaps the softness of the metal is actually causing it to interlock somehow. I'm not entirely sure, and so we're going to test it out. Some of you already know, but my good friend Abe has also been doing some research with cold welding. In fact, he's been able to cold weld two pieces of gold together very similarly to how I've done the indium. And he has sent me a few items to test out in a vacuum chamber as well. And I will be testing these out, and I'll be doing an entire video on the cold welding in a vacuum chamber. But I think I'll just make this like a little teaser video, and I'll wait till next week to do that, because people are starting to complain that I'm becoming a vacuum chamber channel. And vacuums are just so cool, you know? Anyway, if you haven't already checked him out, I definitely recommend it. He's a hilarious and incredibly smart guy. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to go watch his videos, and I'll see you next time.